Hello traders, the title of the video is Mastering the Oversold RSI Oscillator without cutting corners. Alright, traders say, George, you always say cutting corners. What do you mean by cutting corners? Alright, now some traders before I'm gonna start posting video on YouTube were a little bit upset with me because I was using that phrase very often, cutting corners. Now this is not a blame. Now I can explain to traders today, cutting corners meaning that one is not doing multiple verification. Alright, so for instance the RSI oversold, people just want to buy and they buy and they don't proceed to other verification before they buy. Alright, asking the three-stage question. They set up a good reason to buy. Now wait for the second good reason, the signal. Wait for the third good reason, which is the entry point. Alright, so cutting corner is like skipping different verifications. Alright, so it's nothing about insulting or mocking traders. Alright, so this is it. Mastering RSI Oscillator without cutting corners. This is one example here. So trader may say, Joe, you are repeating yourself. We talked about oversold RSI before. What we are doing here, we are analyzing a specific stock, the General Electric, GE, Epic GE, Gulf Eco, alright, belonging to the Dow 30. Alright, we can see a very good example here, and the purpose of this tutorial is to help traders to master the oversold RSI. In this case, if you are trading, for instance, this is an exercise to a technical trader. Say, okay, the RSI oversold, what do you need to do here? Alright, or somebody is learning to trade the RSI oversold, and you have been trading the RSI for some time. What can you tell that person? Alright, what are the things that we need to look for in this particular case? Talking about the General Electric, this time the RSI is almost at zero. Can you see that? It's at zero. How far can it be oversold again? Alright, this is the question. A lot of people get caught with this kind of RSI being oversold. They say below 30, below 20, below 10. They say if it's below 10, you must buy. But here it is. It went below 20, it went below 10. Now it's at a zero. What are you going to do now? All right, this is what we are talking about, okay? So you may have your scanning or screening software. You set it to RSI below 10, RSI below 5 or below 0 or whatever. And here it is. You have it. How? What are you going to do? So after you have scanned for stock, you will probably see the GE stock, the General Electric stock is oversold. Do you buy? So if you were buying, probably, all right, let's go through it, probably, you will start buying. If you just buy because the RSI is oversold, probably you have been buying this stock since which month? Since July 2017. Since July 2017, this stock is oversold. The RSI is oversold does not mean that the stock itself is oversold. The stock is oversold when it finds support. It finally found a valid support. The RSI may be oversold below 30, below 20, below 10, even to 0. But if the financial instrument itself does not find a valid support, well, it's not yet oversold, yes or no? So since July 2017, the RSI was below 30. And from there, you see, it continues to go down. And it's going down very fast. In fact, at the first time it was oversold, you see, in that region, all right, It's just going fast. And I can assure you that a lot of technical traders were losing money in this zone. First, because they were not trading like a pro, which means they are not using a different time frame trading method, otherwise they won't get into this trouble, or at least they will minimize their losses. Second, most RSI traders or momentum oscillator traders are trading a technical indicator instead of the price action. The third mistake that they are making, they were violating, which they shouldn't at all. In fact, they should ban those who are violating the market pattern. They should ban them completely. They shouldn't trade at all. Because in fact, what they are doing, they are trying to distort the market by trading against the market pattern. What is the market pattern? It's a declining channel. What do we do in a declining channel? We sell on the edge of the declining channel, or after the price break below a key level and retest it. That's when we will sell. You see those shadows there? Those are the sell point. Retest down. Retest down. This is what's going on here. But there are more to this. That's why I'm recording this tutorial about the GE stock, because it's a very interesting scenario here. What have we said to trader before? We said to trader that no financial instrument is going down for no reason. There is something that I call a doji. This is a word that we use a lot in England here. A doji, double top. You see, a higher top followed by a lower top. All right, it's a doji, double top. If I use a very, very conservative measuring stick from the neckline right here to this top, not all the way to this top even, just to this top here. That's what professional did, because you want to be conservative trader, okay? If you are a conservative trader, you'll be all right. Just to that top. If you use that measuring stick as our profit target setting, we'll project it below the neckline. You see, if I try to be a little bit more conservative, I'll put it there like this instead of, because if I put it all the way here, you can see the end of it. I try to be more conservative. If I put it there to the green line there, you see that there is we can say that there is a target somewhere here. For that doji, double top, right? Do you like that word, doji? Fake or crazy? It's not fake. It's not fake. It's a bit, all right? Special, all right? It's a special double top, okay? So the target is here. And the price, that's why it's going. It's my money. See, you are annoying me, we want to bring you to the target level. But what do we say to trader? There is always what? A midpoint target. All right, what is it? We apply a Fibonacci retracement to our measuring stick right here, and we highlight the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which is our midpoint target. I will color that midpoint target into pink. Now you see. Now you can see clearer now, okay? Talking about mastering the Oversold RSI Oscillator without cutting corners. So here, this is what we are talking about, verification. Don't skip other verification. It's oversold, pointing to a support level, but if you break below a support level, it's heading to the next support level. If you break below the next support level, it's heading to the following support level. It's looking for a better support level. But as I explained to trader before also, the price target is more important than the support, the normal support level. There are other cases where the normal support will become more important than the price target level. Are you a subscriber? Have you been watching our video in full? Or are you only watching 5 minutes? Okay, I won't repeat myself. Okay, so this is it. So the ultimate target is at a $5.94. The midpoint target at $15.25. You need to know it. Though the RSI was oversold, the price was high. So from July 2017, since this General Electric stock was oversold, and those who are misusing the RSI will say that it's oversold. But look at this long candlestick bar. Wow. Okay, you see now? The price was headed to a midpoint target level. You see, even this one came here, there was a bit of rally out, they pushed it back down. It hit the midpoint target. Look, recently, look, where are we now? It break below the midpoint target and he retested here. That's why people are again trying to push it to the ultimate target level, where the price will form a double bottom chart pattern. Does it mean that the price will definitely hit the midpoint target level? No. All right. No. All right. The price can stop right here. I will show you now. I will show you very fast. I will not dwell on it. Where are we? I will move one line here. The price can stop here at $9, a little bit above the target level. All right. Okay. So now you see now, mastering oversold RSI without cutting corners. So we are doing other verification apart from, okay, concentrating on the RSI oversold. It is oversold. All right, since July. Soon it will be 1 year since the stock, since the RSI period 14 is below 30, below 20, below 10. Now it's at 0. So the key point in this tutorial is without cutting corners, which means when we are trading the oversold RSI, we want to know where is the ultimate target, where is the midpoint target, all right? Where are the key levels, all right? We want to pay attention to the price action. We want to use a different time frame trading method to trade it. The oversold RSI is a trading setup. One must use a different time frame trading method. Now, another reason why we have this bounce up here, you see, there is a trend line here. You see this trend line here? Those are the verification. So it's going down, going down, going down. It can now hit this red trend line. You see? It bounced up a bit. Right? It bounced up a bit. Right? But the smart money is not satisfied yet. So very often, the reason why the smart money will continue to sell a stock like this, you will understand that there must be fundamental reasons why they want to sell it more. So it's not all about technical analysis. The next step, other verification that we can go, is to go and check Google Finance, check the economy news relating to GE, their market share, what's going on, why people are selling GE for more than a year now. All right? So without cutting corners, means that check the finance, check the technical, check all the reasons, do all the verification, all right? Do not stop only on the oversold RSI and start buying anyhow. I think I've said enough about mastering the oversold RSI without cutting corners. The key point is to do many other verifications, including the fundamental analysis like checking the Google ASIC, the Google ASIC test, perform a Google ASIC test, check the economy news relating to General Electric, why the smart money is selling it like this, all right? Know the price target, know the key levels, all right? Do other verification, all right? This is about without cutting corners. I found it very interesting because at the beginning, a lot of traders gave me a lot of hard time, all right? They were giving me a lot of hard time. They said, Joe, you always say, especially there were TSCW traders, they say, Joe, you say, without cutting corners. Here it is, without cutting corners. It's not to insult traders, but to just encourage traders to do other verification. There is a trading setup, there is a triple green, there is a double green trading signal, there is a single red signal, all right? If you see the signal, don't just sell or buy. Do other verification. This is about without cutting corners. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are recording this video to show traders a specific example analyzing General Electric, talking about, the oversold RSI trading without cutting corners. If this video has been truly useful to you, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another repetition, another blah blah blah, mark it down. Say something in the comment section, constructive of course, all right, not personal. And all right, but if you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other RSI traders or technical traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If this video has been if you are not yet a subscriber to our channel, feel free to subscribe to our channel today, and make sure you click on the notification icon, so anytime we record a new tutorial, you will be the first person to be notified, and in your own time you may decide to watch it, or to say, George, I don't care about your video, I'm not watching this one, I'll watch the next one, which is okay. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about mastering the Oversold RSI Oscillator without cutting corners, meaning that trade the Oversold RSI doing multiple verifications. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about mastering the Oversold RSI Oscillator without cutting corners. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon.